Good Monday. What are we making today? I think we're making egg salad from 1966. Normally when I make egg salad, I just use mayo. Maybe mustard or vinegar, but usually just mayo, celery, onions, and eggs. That's it. This recipe was a little bit more involved, and I was intrigued by the use of chili sauce. You know, this has been around for like 100 years. For the fun of it, let's just take a look at the 2024 ingredients and say the 1920s. What do you see? You see high fructose corn syrup. Why? High fructose corn syrup. Oh, and natural flavorings. And we never know what natural flavorings means. I've never put chili sauce in my egg salad. I've never put green pepper in my egg salad. The original recipe is in the description. I've halved it. The original recipe calls for 8 eggs. We've got 4. We've got 1 tablespoon of onion, 2 tablespoons of green pepper, 2 tablespoons of celery, 1 tablespoon of pimento, half a tablespoon of parsley, and 1.5 ounces of cream cheese. That was the other thing. I've never put cream cheese in my egg salad. We have to let this come to room temperature, maybe nuke it for a second or two. We're going to mix this in with the mayo and then add it in. We get a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and it says a dash of pepper. We're going to keep it a dash. We'll grind a little in. And half a tablespoon of chili sauce. What's that going to taste like? Let's get this together. We got to chop up the hard-boiled eggs. It's sandwich time. 1966 egg salad. It looks very nice. Let's give it a try. Wow. The first thing I tasted is the pimento, maybe the green pepper. That changes it a lot for me. Got the little crunchy going on. I like it. I think I'm picking up the chili sauce. The pimento, totally picking up the pimento though. It doesn't taste too salty. We're gonna have to try it out of the bowl. I think I really like it. Let's try it out of the bowl. Wow, it's delicious. It's creamy. It's creamy. It's the cream cheese. That must be it. It's very creamy. It's creamy and it's crunchy, and this is going in the fridge. Back in the fridge. That's delicious. Wow. My father loved egg salad. I made egg salad for him all the time. The problem was he liked Miracle Whip, and I hate Miracle Whip. But man, he loved egg salad. He would have liked this today. But he would have had me make it with Miracle Whip, so there's that. I'd say this is a keeper. This is a keeper. I'm just saying. Thanks for joining me this Monday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Oh. Thanks for watching.